And ET now exclusive. The long weekend has delayed DHFL's resolution process by a couple of days, and sources tell ET now that the voting deadline on the process to call for fresh bids has been extended from the 29th of November earlier to the 2nd of December. This has also caused the COC delay of the planned bid submission deadline now to the 13th of December from the 10th of December earlier. Let's bring on board my colleague Priyanka Iyer. She joins in with all those details. Priyanka?
Well, yes, it seems like, the long weekend had caused issues for all the lenders to get the requisite approvals required to vote on the resolution plan ahead for DHFL, which is why they had sought for some extra time from the lenders to vote on the fresh bid submission deadline. So, firstly, the voting deadline had been extended from 29th of November to 2nd of December. So the voting is currently underway on the plan ahead. And the deadline that has been now chosen instead of December 10th earlier, the COC is voting on calling for fresh bids on 13th of December. So once the voting ends on December 2nd, which is tomorrow, the 4 bidders will be intimated that the deadline has been set as 13th of December. They will be asked to submit fresh bids. And very importantly, as we had reported earlier, these bids will be called under any of the options for the bidders. So basically, earlier the bidders were supposed to either bid for the entire company or for the retail book or for the wholesale book and the slum rehabilitation book. But now, after Adani Properties submitted this last-minute bid saying they wish to bid for the entire company, they are wishing to bid more than Oaktree Capital for the entire company. In fact, the COC has finally decided to let all bidders allow them to vote under any of the options, and they can, if they wish to, submit bid for the whole company as well. So this is the decision that has come in from the COC. All the new bids will be opened on 13th of December itself. Even the bids that were received on November 17, which were not opened, will be opened on 13th December itself. And then the decision will be taken on which is the better bid of the two of all the 4 bidders. And then the COC will vote on those bids. That's the plan ahead. But as of now, the deadline is likely to be 13th December, and the bidders will be intimated this week.